Alright, so it has been a very long time since I've made an Accord video because I really have been waiting on money to get parts because everything at this point, besides all the small little stuff like the bolt and stuff like that, is basically like 600 plus, and I don't really have that money, or it requires scheduling plus money in advance, so I've just kind of been pushing it aside. But I found an offer I couldn't pass up, and that is a Turbo Manifold by 1320 Video, and it's for the H series, and I got it for 200 less than what it would normally be, because if you can see there, it says there's blemishes. Now, I was looking at it earlier, and it really doesn't look that bad, but I'll go ahead and show you. So here it is. You know, you got the 1320 video thing up here, like they do with all of their stuff, with the little Turbo Zero. Got sticker, naturally. And I was looking at it, and it really doesn't look that bad. Like, hold on, let me switch hands. Actually, I don't know, you could see like some scratches here and there, like right here, and obviously they're not perfect. But yeah, looking at it, I mean, there's just like a few scratches here and there, and I think I saw that there was like a gouge out somewhere. But yeah, it is definitely in good enough shape to run, so I'm gonna make sure it obviously fits. And yeah, this is what we're gonna be running for the turbo. Now, I was estimating this to be about 600 because these are the ones I was looking at before, and normally they are 585. But because I found them for 381, I figured I might as well go for it. So yeah, there's not going to be too many parts lately because obviously I do have to spread the money between my two project cars, and obviously I don't have time. I work full time. I only have one day off, and of course because of this lately, I haven't been able to touch any of my cars in a little while because it hurts to pretty much use that hand at all. Even holding the phone hurts. But yeah, so this is great, and I can't wait to put it on eventually. Forgot to mention, but it also comes with the hardware, so that's really good.